Good morning and welcome back to the videos. And we are working in Chapter 4, but we're not going to forget the information we learned in Chapter 3, and that was on negative rules. And so they're going to apply here. We're just carrying them into the fractions and the other rational numbers. And Lesson 1 is a repeat. We've done some of this in the complex fractions earlier. And if we are to change this fraction, which is 74 over 100, to a decimal, well, it's already as 100, so you just would move the decimal point over there, and that's where you get a decimal. So that one's pretty easy. We've done that before, and I hope you keep it easy. And so 74 hundredths equals 74 hundredths. And if you say them both, you can't tell the difference between a fraction and a decimal. But this chapter is asking you to, well, this lesson is asking you to change the fraction into a decimal. Voila. And number 2 is 7/20. And many ways to do all of this stuff, but we want to turn that into a fraction. And the book is saying you can go, 20 can go into 100 because you want 100 as a decimal, denominator. And so if you're going to multiply to get 5 times 20 to get 100, you have to multiply the numerator by 5 to get 35. And now we have our denominator over 100, so we can just simply go 3,500. And again, there's no difference in how you say it. The fraction is 35 hundredths and the decimal is 0.35 or 35 hundredths. And then we're moving on to a mixed number. And a mixed number is a whole number and a fraction. And so we're just going to separate that whole number, and we're only going to be dealing with the decimal. Okay, and 5 and 3/4 can be separated, and we're just looking at here. This is a common fraction, and most of you would know it's 5 and 75 hundredths. And so you just bring down your whole number because you're not changing that into decimals. Thank you.